Um, Swamiji, after conceiving, I had to abort my pregnancy at 8th week due to no fetus growth and cardiac activity. What about this?
So, what is the factor which creates heart in your uh, baby? Also, it takes care of the heart function in your body. देखो, एक बेबी तो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ को ही इस्तेमाल करेगा ना टू ग्रो. उसका तो अभी कोई स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है ना. इट विल यूज योर स्ट्रेंथ टू डेवलप ऑर्गन्स, टू ग्रो इटसेल्फ. अगर आपके अंदर ही जान नहीं है तो कैसे, वो कैसे बनाएगा आपने? हाउ विल इट मेक इटसेल्फ, क्रिएट इटसेल्फ? So there are forces. One of the strength is called as Dakshinagni. The heart function happens because of Dakshinagni. Now, if you have lack of Dakshinagni, the strength of Dakshinagni, अगर वो कमजोर है आपका, so I'll give you one example. It is not a good example because these subjects are too vast to explain it in a very short period of time. ये बहुत वास्ट सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, आपको एक झटके में बताएंगे तो आपको कुछ का कुछ मतलब निकाल सकते हैं. बट टू गिव यू अ लिटिल एग्जांपल सो दैट आपको भी समझ में, आपको भी समझ में. सपोज you are able to hold your breath for a little long and somebody is there who is not able to hold the breath for long. So giving an example, there is an object which is heavy. कोई heavy object है, उसको धक्का देने के लिए what is used in your body to push it? You hold your breath when you push anything heavy, isn't it? If the holding strength is weak, so you will not be able to push a heavy object. Yes or no? This is the strength. Take example there. If you will not be able to hold your breath properly, do you think how many staircases you will be able to climb? मुश्किल होगा ना? So it will become difficult for you. So there is a weakness in one part. It is not that simplistic as I am explaining, but yes, it correlates. आप इसे correlate करके देख सकते हो. So whenever you inhale and hold, exhale and hold, these are transitions actually. These are transitions. How your body creates triggers or transitions or the forces or the strength of transition. Now, these can be named in a particular manner. So Dakshinagni is one transition. Dakshinagni means how much you can take in and how much you can hold within the body. किसी चीज को खाते हैं ना, तो कई लोग खाते हैं और फिर दे गो टू वॉशरूम, दे आर नॉट एबल टू होल्ड. Irritable bowel syndrome. The moment you eat something, or for some people it is some product, some people drink milk and they have to go to rush to washroom. So they are not able to take in that, or you will not be able to assimilate the strength of assimilation. If you are not able to assimilate calcium, what will you get? Calcium deficiency, osteoporosis. It is not lack of calcium, it is lack of the strength of absorbing calcium or assimilating calcium. Similarly, heart function happens because you need to use a particular kind of a strength on a regular basis, and that's how your heart function is happening. This factor is called as Dakshinagni. If you have weak Dakshinagni, either your baby will not be able to build up heart and it will get aborted, or it will not develop organs. Again, either it has to, surgically you'll need to get it out, or it will go out on its own. When something is not happening properly, the body will not accept it. This is the law of nature. This is the law of nature. So what should you do so that it happens properly? In an animal kingdom, if an animal becomes injured, what it has to do to survive? Make more effort. If you lack any effort or bala in the body to make something happen inside your body, you will have to Make effort. What is Kumbhak? It is an effort making mechanism of your body. You cannot make effort without Kumbhak. Try to do it. Try to push something, pull something. Whatever you do, even if you have to move your body behind what is happening outside, there is a hold or a controlled hold or a variable hold which happens behind, which regulates your function. So if you improve your Dakshinagni, if you increase your Dakshinagni, the baby will be able to build heart, not only heart, it will be able to build strong heart and all the body parts. You will have a genetically stable baby. You will not transfer your genetic weakness to the next generation. How will you ensure that? By doing Kumbhak. By making all those factors strong within yourself.